Good morning, children. Our today's topic is one and many. One means singular, many means plural. When we change from one to many, we use s to the end of the word. So it is a rule that changing from one to many, we are going to add s to the end of the word. For example, one balloon, many balloons. One pen, many pens. Now there is another rule that the words which ends with s, double s, sh, ch or x, we add es to them to make its plural form. Okay, so the rule is nouns that end with the letter s, ss, sh, ch and x can be made plural by adding es at the end. For example, bus, buses, box, boxes. Now we will see our English grammar book. So take out English grammar book, chapter 3, one and many, page 23. Let's see the exercise. Look at the picture below. What all you do to see. Count and complete the list on page 24, means next page. Here are blank space where you have to write the correct number. You have to count the number from this picture and you have to write there. Let's see. Number 1, dash park. So how many park is there? Here is one park only. So it is 1. Number 2, dash girls. How many girls are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 girls are there. So in the next page you will write 4. Dash sun. How many sun is there? 1 sun only. So you will write 1. Dash boys. How many boys are there? 1, 2, 3. So there are 3 boys. Number 5, dash ball. How many ball is there? Only one football we can see. So you will write 1 ball. Dash seesaw. Here is only 1 seesaw. So you will write 1 seesaw. Dash kite. 1 kite. So write 1 kite. Dash birds. How many birds? Let's start counting. 1, 2 and 3. So there are only 3 birds in this park. So write down 3. Last is dash flowers. How many flowers are there? Only 2 flowers. Only 2 flowers are there in this park. So you will write 2 flowers. So this way complete this one. Let's see what is there after this. Sometimes a naming word names only one person, place, animal or thing. Which children I have explained you before, just before only, that we have to change the nouns singular to plural by using s or es. We change their form by adding s or es. So let's see, here is 1 boy, 1 tree and 1 bird. When the number of things is more than 1, naming words can be changed to mean more than one or many. For example, boys, trees, and birds. We can show that there is more than one of a thing by adding an s or an es at the end. For example, see, flower plus s equal to flowers. Nest plus s equal to nest. When a word ends with ss, sh, ch, x, z, we add es. Yes, for example, dress plus es is equal to dresses. Match plus es is equal to matches. So these two rules, children, I have introduced you in the beginning also. So there are two rules to make singular to plural. Okay. Now see the next page. Here are many examples of one and many. You have to learn these words. Okay. Once you will read with me, then you will learn these words. Bell, bells. Bird, birds. Toy, toys. Goat, goats. Bag, bags. Bus, buses. Brush, brushes. Watch, watches. Mango, mangoes. Fish, fishes. So children, you have to learn these examples. Okay.